Hey friends, we are here to do another cash stuffing, the last cash stuffing of February. Like, how does that even happen? Okay, all right, let's start with rollover here and pop the change in my jar. I know that I do not have a lot of rollover whatsoever, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna save it all and do what we can. So I have quite a bit of change in here. It's what we're working with for change today. And let me know how you all are doing. It is Thursday, February 20th. You'll see this tomorrow on Friday. This is the money for our cash stuffing. And let's check the rollover again. I know I don't have a lot. Let's see. Thank you to the person, of course I forget who it was because it's me. The person who in my last video told me I had a credit card showing. But thank you so much. As soon as I saw that comment, I didn't even respond to it. I immediately deleted the video and re-uploaded it. I cropped it out and then uploaded the video again. So if that was you and you're wondering where your comment went, it disappeared because the video was deleted. But thank you so much. Okay, so this is our rollover: 25, 26, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 37 only. That bums me out, but again, it's what we have to work with, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, let's see. We're going to take a look at the budget. This is my bright, undated budget planner. Good news, this spiral bound version is back in stock in my Etsy shop. I decided to order a few more. There are only 3, okay? So when they sell out, they are gone again until and if I decide to ever bring them back. So if you like this spiral bound version, head over to the Etsy shop as soon as you can, because again, there are only 3. But if you want a non-spiral bound version, these are available on Amazon. The link is below, along with my other planners, my other savings challenge books, and all of the things. I also have an Amazon storefront. And I know I don't mention it a whole lot, but not everything, a lot of the things that I use here that I got from Amazon are linked in my storefront. So like, you know, my calculator, my cash tray, things like that. If you're ever curious about it, you can check out my Amazon storefront and you can find some of the stuff there. Okay, let's check the budget. Let's see, we are on the February 21st paycheck. And so the paycheck, technically I get paid on Fridays, but my paychecks come through Thursdays or sometimes even Wednesday evening, which is why I'm able to kind of film my cash stuffing and get it out on a Friday, in case you were ever wondering about that. Okay, so short and sweet as usual, we're doing our typical $150 for the wallet, and then we are gonna do some sinking funds in prop money. So I'm gonna pull out my little prop money box here, and we do need to get some change. So let's see, vacation is gonna be getting $20. 10 of that is in cash, and then 10 is in prop. I like to write a C for anything that's in cash and a P for anything that's in prop. If I don't write anything, that means that it's in prop. Or fake money, but if I write like a C, say next to Christmas, that means it's in real cash. And I do that because anything that's not a C, not real cash, I just immediately go ahead and deposit into my Ally, my high yield savings account. So that is why I like to do that. I think I could probably find some change in the vacation envelope. Actually, that reminds me. I did say I wasn't going to stuff my sinking fund anymore. I said I was going to just put the money directly into here because this should be all that I need for vacation between what I already saved and paid and everything like that. However, I have to tell you guys, I know I said we were thinking about another cruise for our family vacation, and we did go ahead and book that. So we are going to be sailing on the MSC Meraviglia, August 3rd to the Bahamas, and so that is our family vacation for this year. And yeah, I'm excited. So I did have to put a deposit down for, I think it was $800. It was like $790 something, I think. So I had to put that deposit down, and I used my credit card, so obviously that has to be paid. So in addition to all that I need to save for this vacation, I also need $800 more to pay off that deposit. It never ends, right? Okay, I'm gonna take 2 10s out of here for a 20. And that is going to be the change that we need, I believe. So let me put this back in here before I confuse myself. And actually, before we do the vacation stuffing, I'm gonna stuff my wallet because, again, I'm gonna just confuse myself. So this should just be 160, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 50, 60. And that is just because, once again, I only go to the ATM and I can't take anything out of the ATM unless it's an increment of 20. So $10 is going to go towards vacation. The rest here is just going right in my wallet for spending these next 2 weeks. And the wallet is done. Okay, so we're going to put 20 into vacation, 10 in real cash, and then I need to pull a 10 out of my prop money box. And then we're going to stuff it into the 2024 book here. And I think instead of scratching, I think I'm just going to go ahead and fill in some of these here on this puzzle piece challenge. Let me grab a marker here. Let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to do these 2 2s, and then I'll finish out this row as well. So let me know what's been going on. Do you have any plans for your weekend? This Saturday, we are just going to my brother's house. He's having a little party for my nephew. So that'll be nice. It's always nice to catch up with family and everything like that. Other than that, I don't think we really have anything going on, which is not a bad thing at all. Last weekend, you guys know it was Ivy's birthday party, and so I obviously had clean up from that. But then after the party, I decided to take my winter decorations down and start decorating for spring. Even though it's not spring yet, I was getting a little bit tired of looking at the winter decorations. And spring decor is sort of just like my everyday decor. Like, now it'll be decorated like that until probably pretty much fall. I don't think I really change it up for summer too much. So yeah, I'm happy to have that done for the most part and be good to go with that. Then I won't have to think about it again till fall. So, yeah, my house is still a little bit messy though because I didn't get that all completely finished. I just kind of have things laid out. Since this is the first, like, spring/summer that will be in this house, I kind of don't know where I want everything yet. And so I have things out, but not necessarily where they're going to be. And of course, I still have boxes and boxes of pictures and everything like that that still need to be hung. I need to just decide on a spot for them or decide what I'm going to be doing with them, but that will come, I guess. Okay, so that is done. That looks good now. We're just about halfway with that one, it looks like, and so that makes me happy. Let's close this book up, and then we'll add the money, and then I'll count it up. I guess this video is actually going to be a little bit longer than my typical cash stuffings. Oh, by the way, that book was from Carmen over at The Humble Budgeter. So we're going to add in our 20 bucks. And let's see what we have. So we have 1, 200, 50, 300. I'm going to put this 50 aside. 20, 40. I already forget, you guys. 1, 2. Oh my God, 1, 2, 3. 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 88, 20, 40, 60, 80, 900, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 1,000, 1,050, 1,060, 70, 80, 90, 95, 1,100, 11, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 81. I think it is 1181. Yes, yes, yes. That is amazing. And it's so fat, and I love it. All right, let me pop this back in here, and we'll move right along. Let's see, we're not doing anything else in this binder, so I could put my band on here, which I do need, because otherwise this binder is not gonna want to close. Okay. So we did vacay. We're gonna do 10 into Christmas and then 5 in each of car maintenance and emergency. Again, $5 is not a lot, but it is just something to keep these funds going. I am doing my best, and that's all that I can do. So let's pull out the other sinking fund binder right now. Let's see, I think emergency is in here. Yes, okay, and we're gonna just put 5 in here, and every single time I forget that I need a new tracker, and I cannot locate my trackers right now. I have a bunch of these from Amazon, unless they're all gone, but I really don't think they would be, because I feel like when I bought them or when I got them with something, there was a bunch, but I don't know, you guys. Okay, so let's add 5. And we now have 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 75, 76, 78, 278. I'm gonna go ahead and color one of these 5s here because I can, because that's why I love this tracker. It's just 5s and 10s. So even when I'm adding just a little bit, I still get to color. And that's probably hard for you guys to see, maybe, because it's yellow on yellow, but there we go. All right, by the way, if you hear a lullaby or a bird tweeting or my daughter or a little girl, that's my daughter. That's on the baby monitor. I did get her this little bird from Temu. I think I showed it in one of my Temu hauls, which may or may not have aired yet. But yeah, she loves it, and it just tweets obnoxiously loud. So that's what that is. Okay, car maintenance. Is that in the other binder? I guess so. So let's pull that out. Now my son is in there, and it's even louder, so sorry about that. All right, so car maintenance. I love these envelopes so much, these colorful ones. They make me so happy. All right, let's add 5 here. And if I had added 6, then literally I would have had 100, but that's okay. I could pull $1 from my savings challenge money, but I'm not going to. All right, so we have 50, 70, 90, 95, 96, 7, 8, 9, $99 in here. I am needing to get my car looked at, and I'm expecting it to be super expensive, so $5 isn't gonna really get me much of anywhere with that, but at least I'm adding something because I need to try to build that up a little bit more. Okay, last but not least, this binder, like, what is that? That's all scratch off shavings, I think. I don't even know if you could see that. Anyway, we're gonna do 10 bucks into Christmas. Again, not a whole lot, but it's keeping it going. I haven't stuffed this in so long. Oh, and look at that, I have an IOU. This is coming apart, I don't know why. It needs to be laminated again. My daughter's screaming now in the background. Hopefully you don't hear that. All right, so we have a $5 IOU. So I am going to scratch, but we're just going to end up with another IOU because so I have 10 to put in. We're already taking 5 away from that due to the IOU, and these are big numbers. This is my Festive and Feisty Savings Challenge binder. This is a $2,000 version because I want to save $2,000 for Christmas, but this also comes in $1,000. It is available in my Etsy shop if you're interested, and I am trying to get, let's see, I have 2 that I finished in January, which was my goal. I need to finish 2 of these in February, which is not going to happen because it's almost over and I'm not even done with one yet, let alone a second one. So yeah, that's okay. I could do this 10 and have it just another $5 IOU and save this, but I'm not going to. All right, let's scratch. I only have $5. And again, these numbers are big. Okay. As I get a 2. All right, so I have $3 left, and I know that I'm gonna have an IOU. These are big, big numbers. Okay, a 6. That's not bad at all. All right, so let's see. What did I say I had left? $3, and we have a 6, so I have a $3 IOU. That actually really worked out, you guys. Okay, so I have this little magic eraser, so I'm gonna erase it from my IOU. I guess I didn't have an eraser last time, which is why I just wrote the 5 over. And we're gonna write a 3, and I'll take that. I'm super happy with that. It's a single digit IOU, so I will take it for sure. All right, we're gonna clip that on to this challenge right here. And then we're gonna go to the back here, the envelope, and see what we have. And then that will be the end of this one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 410, 15. 415 for Christmas 2026 already. Yes, makes me super duper happy. I think even though I'm not on track to finish 2 challenges this month, I still think having like over $400 saved already is really, really good. And I might be kind of ahead in the grand scheme of things. So yes, we will take that. All right, that is it for this one, my friends. Thank you so much if you made it to the end of the video. I love you guys so, so much. Look out for the savings challenge video, which will be next, and I'll see you there. Bye.